If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Sponsored by migardener.com, with over 450 varieties of non-GMO, heirloom, organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents. migardener.com.
We've been brewing a continuous batch of kombucha. And if you're not sure what kombucha is, it is a effervescent tea. It's an effervescent sweet tea. It's slightly fermented. Not like it's going to get you drunk fermented, but it is slightly fermented. And at the top here, you can see what's called a SCOBY. And a SCOBY is actually an acronym for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. And you're thinking, if you've never heard of kombucha, oh, bacteria. This is a good bacteria. This is a positive bacteria that's good for your digestive system, good for your gut health. That's got probiotics in it, so it's good for you. So this SCOBY helps the fermentation process and kind of feeds the kombucha. So we did this with black tea, sugar, and when we first started it, we added some vinegar, and then as we continue to do the brewing, we just add from the previous batch to keep it going. If you are like, I have too much, this is 2 gallons, how am I going to drink this all? You can take your SCOBY, which is this, and one thing you can do is you could give it away to somebody, like portions of it if you want to do that. Some people put it in their garden, some people cut it up. Otherwise, you can take something like a quart jar, half-gallon jar, depending on the size of your SCOBY, put it in there and make what's called a SCOBY hotel, which is something that will hold your SCOBY until you're ready to use it again. So, and there's different recipes for that online as well. You can also do like a second fermentation, and that's when you take something like this bottle, not specifically this one, it's a little dusty and dirty, but a clean bottle, and you put your kombucha in there with some fruit or fruit juice, and it does a second fermentation to give it some flavor. So that's an option as well. Not that this doesn't have flavor, it just basically tastes like a fermented black tea, but it's kind of different options for you. So that is what kombucha is. We learned about this continuous brew through the Island Homesteader YouTube channel. So if it's something that you enjoy, making it yourself is pennies to the dollar versus buying it in, if you were to buy it like in 16-ounce bottles or whatever, it's a lot cheaper to make it yourself and keep it going. For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.